Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and noting the current resolution so you can revert if needed. Once done, close full screen programs and ensure display cables are secure because changing resolution can disrupt outputs. Now open Settings, go to System then Display, or right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. This takes you directly to the controls. You need to reach the resolution selector quickly, so make sure Windows recognizes the monitor before proceeding to choose a new size. You'll now choose a resolution, pick the recommended option for best clarity, or a lower/higher value if you need larger UI or more workspace. Make sure to check scale settings too, because a higher resolution with low scale can make text tiny. If you use multiple monitors, set each display separately and confirm the desired orientation. Click Apply and watch the screen. Windows gives you about 15 seconds to confirm. This rollback prevents you from being stuck with an unusable setting. You finish by verifying apps and UI look correct, and then close settings. If something goes wrong and the screen is unreadable, don't panic. Wait for the automatic rollback or boot into safe mode to revert. Make sure to update GPU drivers and check the monitor's edit information if resolution options are missing. If you need a custom resolution, use your graphics control panel or manufacturer tool and only apply supported modes. This prevents scaling artifacts and potential hardware conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.